So why is it so high?
Hello, Gracie's
Guys.
vlog.
We are in Barcelona. Hey guys, welcome to the Barcelona vlog with Lauren. We have been busy girls. And we got here today and we are not sure what we're gonna do because it's about 10 p.m. and we didn't think that we would get here in time in order to do things for the evening. But we got here and we feel lively. So we're gonna hit the streets. I've been to Spain before. Lauren has never been to Spain before.
No.
But I've never been to Barcelona before. So we're so excited to be here. And I guess we'll see you on the streets. We don't know what we're gonna do. We kind of want to get a sweet treat. Also, we're not here to like go crazy, but who knows where we'll end up at the end of the night.
Black out in an alleyway.
That is not what's gonna happen, but I guess you know. We'll see you guys on the streets. I'm so excited to be here.
I'm so excited.
Alright, we'll see ya.
$5.
Oh wow. Guys, I'm so happy right now. Lobster, lobster, lobster.
Did you see Alice by Heart?
No.
When you partner with a lobster, all the world's your shore. Summer it's a song. Anyway, what can you do? When you
We're just talking about like everything important in this world while walking along the harbor with the sailboats, and we saw a lobster. Anyways, we're gonna get a little picture. I'll put it in for you guys so you can see it.
Lovely.
Boom. There it is. Guys, I swear I just saw a rat. Hold on. No, it's right there. It's right there. It's right there. He's crossing. Go, go, go. Oh my god. Oh my god, okay, wait, he made it. Oh wow.
Bro, you think you can make us a pasta dish real quick?
If
the joke ever doesn't land, just run away.
Just run away and then it'll be funny.
You can make us like some ratatouille.
Guys, we came up with a new series of photos that we want to do. So we'll take the first one. All right. All right.
Lovely. I think that's why like I question my lifestyle choices so much, because I'm like, life is so limiting. Like I want to do everything.
No,
but
same.
I know that's not possible nor satisfying, because if you do everything,
So you have to be good at one thing,
right,
but you can also be good at so many things.
right.
We're currently discovering talking about the most important things about life. Talking about passionate people. We're talking about love. We're talking about sexuality. We're talking about spreading love. We're talking about our destiny.
Talking about spreading our legs.
But we're just sitting on a curb outside of our hostel and we're just going to continue to talk. It is currently 1:09 a.m. I said that I feel like I am destined to experience many different kinds of love in my lifetime and spread that love.
I've said this to my girlfriend many a times. I feel like life is so small and limiting in the sense that like I want to have 20 different professions. I want to be an ice skater. I want to be an artist. I want to be a professor. I want to be an actor. I want to be a director of film. Like I just want to like live so many lives and like do all these things, but I know that's not satisfying or healthy, because it's like you just constantly pursuing what you don't have and what you're not experiencing, that you're not enjoying what you're living, if that makes sense. So like,
We're talking about like spreading yourself thin.
Right.
And how you can be good at like a lot of other things, but there's always, if you're good at a lot of things, there's always going to be someone that is better than you at one thing. But then you'll be better than them at other things. I don't even want to call it like spreading yourself thin, because there's something also so beautiful about that.
Right.
Like, because we were talking about like people with depth.
Right.
I'm like, if there's someone who is a little bit good at everything, I'm like, you are such an interesting person. If there's someone who's just only really good at one thing, you are so interesting. I want to live a life full of change and growth and expansion. You should try this, it's really good.
What is it?
I don't know, but it's good. Do you not like it? Anyways, this is what we're gonna continue to talk about until we eat our gummies and go back into the hostel. But these are the conversations you need to have with your best friends from high school on a curb in Barcelona. We'll see you guys in the morning. Mwah. Barcelona. Day 1. Buongiorno, lovely people. Fit check time.
Check it.
Oh wow, that was really good. We're about to go to the beach. It's beach day, guys. Get hype. I'm hype. Everyone's hype. Now we're on our way to a little cafe, and we are going to kind of just vibe all day. Go to what else are we gonna get up to? Probably no good. We're also going to go to a store, and we're going to get lunch there and have a little picnic on the beach, a lovely tanning time. Just like a beautiful day, first day in Barcelona. I got a chai latte and a Nutella cookie.
I got a cold brew with almond milk and a chocolate brioche croissant.
Yum. Catedral de Barcelona. How many booms?
I'd say like 6.
6.
I've seen better. Wow, this is literally me.
That is literally us. We made it to the beach, everyone. This is our setup. We have the music going, we have our food, we have all things good in this world, and we're just going to lay here literally all day and take in the sun.
Grace, I found a heartbeat glass.
You're coming home with me.
Hold on, let me get my souvenir.
Salutations.
Wait, I found a good one. Stop! Stop!
Guys, life is fantastic and worth living, and Lauren and I are the best friend duo ever to exist on this planet.
Correct.
So that's what we're talking about. She has to go piss. You're doing great, sweetie. Just go for it, just go for it.
It's actually so nice.
I hope you guys enjoyed that.
So this whole semester, I've been going to like bodies of water. Like I was in Cinque Terre, I went to Malta, and it's all been too cold to get in the water. Like too cold in the sense like I'd be sick if I went in.
Never stopped.
And I was like, Operation Get My Ass in the Water has of course only occurred in Barcelona, Spain with Gracie Littleton.
We took a classic flip over your shoulder pick. I'm gonna try to warm up now. This is literally the most fun I think I've had ever in my life.
Once we warm up, it'll be so nice.
But yes, it's lovely. We'll see you guys in a bit.
Ciao, ciao.
Wavy her hair. Also, we're back from the beach and we got some nachos because we had to use the bathroom so badly, but we had to be customers, so we got nachos.
Had a casualty.
My tea spilled in my purse.
So Gracie had Arizona tea. That's the culprit right there.
Tea flavored tampon, anyone?
Oh, please. My favorite snack. All right, everyone say, "Aw, Grace."
Aw, Grace. Oh, we just had dinner. Now we're getting hot chocolate because it's cold. It's cold. You're making a mess. Guys, we also forgot to tell you, we have an old friend from high school that we were in Cinderella with when I was a junior in high school and Lauren was a senior. She's in Lauren's grade. She's studying abroad in Barcelona, so we're gonna go get like a little dessert with her. And I'm so excited to do that. And her partner studies abroad at my school, which is crazy.
Crazy.
Such a small world. That was so lovely.
They're so lovely.
I did not get any vlog content, but I have a picture.
We were living in the moment.
Elizabeth, if you're watching this, we loved getting the chance to talk to you. We miss you. It's been 3 years. We never know when we will reunite again, but I hope that it is someday soon. We're now back at the hostel, and we're gonna go and get ready for bed and sleep and get ready for tomorrow's adventure. I love reconnecting with old friends. It is such a beautiful thing, especially in Europe, and now we have this memory that with Elizabeth that is just gonna exist in Barcelona, Spain for the rest of our life. Isn't that such a beautiful thing?
Lovely.
All right, good night everyone. We'll see you bright and early tomorrow.
Buenas noches.
Beach day part 2.
Beach day part 2.
Bitch. Good morning. It's another lovely day in Barcelona. So, you ever feel like a plastic bag? We're going to the beach each. Let's get away. Hey, what are you gonna say? Guys, we're at the beach day too. I want to get food. I want to get food, guys. I want to get food, and there's this Greek place that has like wraps and stuff, and I really want okay, food. I really want to go. I also jumped in, and it was really cold. Was. We decided last minute to have a little picnic. So we got Ben & Jerry's ice cream,
Haribo gummy bears, strawberry lemonade, Calypso,
and we got Greek food, which I'm so excited about. This is our whereabouts as of recent, but it's actually the most lovely day ever. I love a picnic. Nothing makes me happier than a picnic, actually. Can we talk about that for a second? I love picnics. That's all I have to say about that.
Film me, ready?
Not everything is about you.
You ever get ready to go to Cheesecake Factory with your lady and she says, I don't want to eat too much, I don't want to get big. Girl, too late!
Lauren said that I need more, that I need lotion.
Which, yeah, maybe I do. But you know what? I got moisturizer back at home.
Which one you think I gave?
Girl, a latte. And this guy, how much your wife?
How much your wife back at home? Oh,
I'm just trying to order.
But she's usually large. We think we're gonna go back to the hostel and take a shower, and get changed. And then we're gonna go, then when are we gonna go? Then we're probably gonna go to the Sagrada Familia. We'll see you guys somewhere else.
Catch you on the flip side.
We'll catch you on the flip side. We will see you guys at our next destination. We'll see you guys soon. Lauren, how did that happen?
I don't know.
The culprit.
I lost grip. Drowned.
Just had a little water bottle casualty. We also just showered, so we're feeling all clean. And tonight we're gonna go to the Sagrada Familia.
Bro, it's like in the mattress.
So we'll see you guys when we're on the streets. We made it, guys. It's literally actually a lot cooler than both of us thought, and I was like, damn, turn around, and it's like really cool. They're just walking in. Guys, it says free entry until mass capacity is reached, so we're gonna see if we can get in, because we didn't get tickets. This is really cool. We're in, but we're not supposed to film or take pictures, really, but everyone else is doing it. Hey guys. So, hey guys. We just went to a little mass thing in that baddie right there behind us. That was actually really cool. Kind of stressed us out a little bit. Lauren started recording and then like we all stood up all of a sudden and then we panicked. We're like, oh, I guess we're standing up now. I let it go. Oh, fuck. I couldn't get my purse off. That was really cool.
That was really cool.
That was free. Tickets online were like 50 euros.
Right.
And I saw this thing and it was like free entry until mass capacity.
I feel like
and I was like, let's just get in that line and see what happens. There's a lot of other people there that were in the same boat as us that were like, what did we just get ourselves into? At least we stayed until the end of like the first song.
Right.
And then we left when like there was a change. Someone just left in the little song and they were getting dirty looks.
They're getting dirty looks.
Shot at them.
How many booms?
Like 10.
10.
Now, what are we gonna do? Dinner?
I don't know. No, I swear to God.
4:34.
But it's actually 3:34 because the time said.
Hashtag time change. That means it's gonna be a great day. We're on our way back to Rome. That's it. Also, last night you didn't see us, but we just ended up getting boba and then going back to the hostel and we watched the first episode of Severance. I have seen it. It is gas. Lauren has not.
It was gas.
Gas or ass?
Gas. It was actually really good. I hate when white people are right.
We'll see you guys at the airport to recap our favorite parts of the trip, but this is us right now.
This is me before the airport.
That we're gonna see you guys there. Hey, we're back in Rome. You know what time it is, Lauren. What is your favorite part of the trip?
Honestly, being at the beach, which I know was like 60% of the trip.
Yeah, actually. My favorite part of the trip was specifically the picnic. The Greek food was so good. I had Ben & Jerry's ice cream. And it was just a lovely, beautiful day of us doing whatever we wanted on our own accord. And I think that is a beautiful thing. That is the end of the Barcelona vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you feel inspired, loved. I hope you get out in the sun today.
Yes.
I'll see you guys on my next adventure. I'm not quite sure what that'll be, but I look forward to it.
And if you want to see my POV of Barcelona, Spain, as well as London and
eventually Croatia, Malta,
Lawrence and Florence, linked down below.
Oh, am I linking you down below?
Yeah.
I can link you down below. We'll see you guys next time.
Ciao, bella.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Y ahora sí.